Hey guys,
What?
who believe that
Huh?
goat,
Yes, baby
curry
girl.
goat and dumpling supposed to be the national dish? Well, I support that. Curry goat and dumpling my thing there. I believe in curry goat. I could do curry goat and white rice. I prefer rice and peas, but I think we should have a debate on that. Who think it's supposed to be curry goat and dumpling, curry goat and white rice, or curry goat and rice and peas? I vote for curry goat and rice and peas. Anyway, I have a delivery. How are you?
Hi.
You're good? Can I get two of the goat them for borrow?
Yes.
Are you a goat them by the way? So you give the people them goat. I don't understand. So just give the people them goat,
Yeah,
so?
just like that.
Just like that. Okay, so me. You want to catch it goat and I might carry a trunk.
Really?
Mm.
Then just take your car fee.
I take my car feet.
Yeah,
I borrow me, so I borrow goat still. So I
Say
eat a
just
one
take
leg.
some bar, yeah, bar.
Yeah, eat a one leg and
Leave
return
the
it.
rest. Aye.
And tomorrow when I want some soup, I get a piece of the rope and take another leg. Are you saying yes to the foolishness today?
Go.
How are you today?
I'm
I catch you in good spirits? Okay, good stuff, good stuff. Good Friday, where you up to? Nothing at all.
good. Just here relaxing.
Just a relax. How's the service though?
Good so far.
Good so far?
Yeah.
You like it? Anything you want to tell me special?
I've been using the company for about 2.5 years now.
Why you choose to use the company? Let me
My
hear.
daughter introduced me to it
Mhm.
when I started, and I realized that it's good because the delivery and all. Because I use others,
Rasta, you're good man, you're good man. Blessing brother, blessing brother.
but this one is the only one that delivered directly to your house. Normally, I'd have to take transportation go back and
Oh,
forth.
so that is what you like.
Convenient,
Okay, now we're
more
getting
convenient.
somewhere. Convenient for you. Okay. All right, so how do you find the pricing and stuff like that?
It's good, pretty
It's good?
good.
Compared to others? Okay.
Yeah.
So you wouldn't leave us for the others?
No.
I'm in her heart. Me or the company in your heart, by the way. Which one? Anyway, my heart is broken again. It's only the company in her heart.
Yeah,
Anyway,
so
I
you
want-
know they give you a complimentary sometimes. You get
Mhm.
free £5.
Right, okay, so you're a platinum member. So you're looking forward to platinum day. She's one of the smart ones. You need to tell your friends and family. I realize you're one of the smart ones. Anyway, big up. I won't keep you much longer. Have a wonderful day.
You too, take care.
All right, bye bye.